Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name Achieng Elizabeth. I've come to present to you on how to create errors in Excel and how to correct them. So far I've gotten 5 errors that I'm going to go through them as I teach you with them. So if you want to learn more about it, you can follow my YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like it, and then you share it. So I'm going to take you through the errors. You come to your start window. So you come and text here in your start window, Excel. So when you text Excel, you open the app. So by double clicking, your Excel app will open. So when your Excel app opens, you come to new, come to a blank workbook. So you can enter here in your details, you can say name, price, amount. So we can enter here, Liz, we have Peter, we have Mercy, we have Francis. So the amount, the price of the items can be 9,000, 8,900, 8,000, 8,900 again. Then you come to amount. Can put 6, can put 9. So far we have 5 Excel errors. Number 1 is hash error. So hash error comes when you reduce this column, you can see, very small, that can't fit a certain value. You can see it brings for you hash value. So to correct the hash value, you increase it. You increase the cell so that it fits the big value. See, if you increase, the error is corrected. Another error is hash value error. Hash value error comes when you mix text with the values. For example, miss you. So you come here and you use your formula, equals to cell B2 minus cell C2. Then you press enter. So when you come at the corner here, you pull this positive sign downwards. You see your answer will come down and you get there is hash value error because in this cell there is a text mixed with the value. So to correct that, we have some functions that contain, that helps to ignore what text. So you can come and put here sum. In your formula bar, you come to your formula bar, you put sum, then you say open the bracket C2, then you close your bracket here. See? You open the bracket, you write C2, then you close your bracket and you press enter. So when you press enter, you come back here, then you see there is a positive ball plus, you come down and you pull it down. You see your hash value error has been corrected. Another error is what we call hash name error. Hash name error comes when you use a wrong name which does not exist in the functions. So the functions which are inbuilt in the computer as names, we have sum, average. So you can forget and say add, yet there is no add. What? There is no add function. Instead there is sum. So you say add. open the bracket, cell C5 to what? To C to D5, then you close your bracket. Then you press enter. You can see there is hash name error. So to correct hash name error, you need to write the right name of the function. Instead of add, you come to your formula bar and you correct it to be sum. So you write sum, then you press enter. You can see your hash name error has been corrected. Another error that we have is hash div error. Hash div error comes when you divide a cell by 0, a value by 0. For example, you come and say equals to, you're dividing cell B5 divide by cell C5 minus 1. Then you press enter. You can see there is hash div error. So to correct hash div error, you come and put your function here. You say sum, open the bracket, then you close this bracket with shift and you press enter. You can see your hash div error has been what? Corrected. Then the last error is hash ref error. Hash ref error comes when you delete a column that was used for getting what? A certain value. Assuming we say equals to, this column is B2 minus C2, and you press enter, you get a value here. So this value, which is in B2 and C2, were used for getting this answer. But if you come and delete it, you come here, maybe you delete by mistake, you'll find what is called hash ref error. You can see the hash ref error. So to correct the hash ref error, you need to bring back the original column that was used for bringing these answers. So you can go to undo, then the column will come back, then your answer will also come back. That is about hash ref error. Thank you for following me. Thank you for liking my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow for more details. Hi.